Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. For today, please use your exercise 1 to copy the notes and copy the questions. This is what you have to do for today. Number 1, read together with the teacher, with me. Number 2, while reading, focus on the concept of present simple passive. Number 3, listen to teacher attentively on how to use present simple passive correctly. Number 4, copy and answer questions in exercise book. And lastly, please key in your attendance. This is what you are going to learn today. Present simple passive. So what is present simple passive? Present simple passive is used to talk about some actions that are performed in the present or repeatedly habits, simple statements of fact or universal truth. So let's look at the example first. So you have on the left active voice and on the right passive voice. Look at the first example. You wash the car every week. There is active voice, but when it turns to passive voice, you use the third participle of the verb. The car is washed every week. Okay, look at the difference on wash and washed. Also, you look at the subject. In active voice, the subject is in the first position, you. But in passive voice, the first agent is the car. You see, the object is in the first position in the sentence. Now look at the example number 2. He watches TV in the evening. Okay, you see watches, but in the passive voice, TV is watched in the evening. Number 3, we built our house. Okay, but the passive voice, our house is built. And lastly, they eat the apples and the apples are eaten. So basically, in active voice, you have subject in the first sentences. But in passive voice, you have the object in the first sentence. Okay? Okay, this is the structure of the sentence. On the top, he opens the door is the active voice where the verb uses simple present. But look at the below. The door is opened by him. You see the subject now is the object. The verb turn to the third participle and then by him the subject is at the back now. It changes when active or inactive voice, the subject, the person in front, object at the back. But when it is passive, the subject is the object and the door become the subject. He, the subject, the originally subject becomes agent. It changes position and the verb is and opens become opened. What are the rules? So this is the rules for active voice and passive voice. I put it together for you to see the differences. But you have to look on passive voice. Okay. So first we look at active voice. We use first form of verb. For example, girl clicks selfie, girls click selfie, girls click selfies. Okay. Now, for active voice, we use present simple. That's it, clicks, click. But in passive voice, the position of girl and selfie is changed. Now, selfie is at the front and girl is at the back. Can you see that? So, in passive voice, we use is and are plus third form of verb. Okay? Look at the example. Selfie is clicked by girl. Selfie is clicked by girls. Selfies are clicked by girls. Okay, so you use is and are and follow with the verb, the third form of verb. Okay. I hope you understand the rule and principle of simple passive. Now, this is the exercise, simple one. I want you to copy into your book and try to answer them. Good luck. Okay, before I end our lesson, I want to tell you, if you have any problem or if you don't understand, please tell me. You can text me, you can WhatsApp me and tell teacher I don't understand, and then I will try to explain to you in person. Okay? Okay, good luck.